Welcome to Uniphone, another video of SPSS Tutorial series. Normally, we are working on SPSS using a graphical user interface or a menu-driven system. Even though in the output window we can see a syntax in the top of the line. If you are conducting a less complicated analysis, this syntax may be 1 or 2 lines, but when we are running a very complex calculation, this may be more than 2 or more than 3 lines. Sometimes this will become very annoying to us. And if you want to avoid this, that is the displaying of the syntax in the top of output window, we can disable that displaying facility in SPSS. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable the syntax displaying facility in SPSS. SPSS syntax is a programming language that is unique to SPSS. It allows us to write commands that run SPSS procedures rather than using the graphical user interface. The SPSS syntax are very helpful for running the data analysis without using this graphical user interface or the menu-driven system. And this will be very helpful when we conducting a complex data analysis. And these are considered as the shortcut for conducting very complex data analysis in SPSS. So let's look how we can disable the displaying of this syntax in the top of your output window and make your output window neat and clean. Open SPSS. Here I have already opened an employee database file. Just conduct a descriptive analysis. So move to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and select Frequencies. Here I am going to add educational level to the variable window and just select the statistics, mean, median, then quartiles. Just add whatever you want. Then continue, then click OK. This is the output window. You can see 2 tables. Here this is the syntax. You can use this syntax for conducting the same operation without using this menu system. So here we are going to disable this displaying facility in SPSS. How it is possible? Okay. Here I am going to delete all these outputs. Now move to this main window, then move to Edit, select these options. Here you can see these different tabs you can see here. So move to Viewer tab here. You can see Viewer, and here display commands in the log. This is checked. If you uncheck this, automatically the displaying of syntax and output window will be suppressed. That is disabled by SPSS. So check out this display commands, the log checkbox, then click Apply, then click OK. Now we are going to conduct the same operation. Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, then Descriptives, the same thing, then click OK. Now you see here, there is no syntax you can see here. So the all syntax are suppressed or disabled. So this way you can disable the syntax displaying the output window. Now see, you can see the output window is very neat and clean. So delete it. Once again, Edit, Options, the view bar. If you want to enable this facility, just check it out and then press OK. This way you can disable the syntax displaying at the output window. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video and press that bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.